wheel cover because Trina had bought that for me. So we're gonna make sure to put everything out of the car. Yeah.
Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same.
I better find your loving.
So hi guys, few last hours with fewer days left with this car, and now I'm in the process of sorting out to selling my car. I have two potential buyers, so I'm gonna allow both to see it. My price is 1.350. I'm gonna tell you something when selling car. Just know the people might come ball on the price, and if you should value the car is way more than what I want for it. So initially I wanted 1.4, but then I'm like, okay, let's be, really, let's really think about it, because I don't want the car to stick on me. So I don't want person to see the prices. People to see the price are like, okay, ridiculous, or whatever. So I have people by asking, 1 million, 1.1. The least I said I'm willing to go is 1.2, and only one person would have said that okay, they can do that. That's the least for me. But in consideration of me not wanting to stuck on me, 1.150 is the lowest, because I want to be able to pay off this loan and then can let me never want to go up on no instruction. Yeah, I'm actually going to change the oil today. I'm going to change the oil. So I'm not the mechanic, which lap me in. So we're gonna change it by, I'm sure. Hi guys, doing the final lap of what I have to do. So yeah, I think I might use this section of the video if the audio is good for the intro. So yes guys, so I was saying that yeah, just starting out the few little business. Actually you guys are going to see, I'm not sure you guys are going to see this part in the vlog, if it's me selling my, I think it would be me selling my car process, because I'm actually here in Otrius to meet up with a potential buyer for my car, somebody who is interested in buying my car. So I'm going to see what that is going to be like, to see what birth it's coming with. If they're coming with any bull, then we ain't doing any bull, because my car is worth more than it is being sold for. But with them people on my bike car, them love come and shut up their mouth, and I'm not into that. That's why I leave myself to have two potential buyers. I'm not in no chatting, I'm not no back and forth, I'm not no garbage. So yes, my brother is going to come and meet me, because Odin could not be here today. He has other engagements, so I didn't want to come by myself. So I have Odin come with me. I don't have my wedding ring because I can't find it. Is this ring I have on, which is not even my wedding band, but my wedding ring, but this Jaitan, I don't know. Yeah, but that's what is up. How do I feel about letting go of my car? I love this car. I'm buying a Honda Fit hybrid wasn't a bad mistake. I don't have no problem with it. Me complain about the battery boys, battery for dead pan, it expensive. I don't have no issue at all with it. I have all good to say about this car. This car has never given me any trouble. And I'm so thankful for that. So yeah, I wait on my brother, waiting on my brother. I'm also waiting on the potential buyer. Don't know any name, don't know what it look like. Doesn't want my brother come before the man. You understand me? Yeah. My brother made it. Kuya. Chaka Kuya. Alright guys, so the man just came and looked at the car. He plugged like a sensor on it where you're able to see if the car has any damage, if it has ever been hit before or anything like that. So yeah, he did that. He realized that there's no damage to my car or anything like that, so that was good. The only problem with this man is that I'm a ball on my price, because I decided I wanted to sell this car for 1.4, then I said 1.350, then I said okay, I'll do 1.2 because I really don't want the car to stick on me, not because there's an issue, but because I don't want, when I'm ready to go, I have to deal with all of this. All right, so yeah, so I was doing something and my brain and my brother brain I clicked same time too. I was doing something and I was actually stepping away. The man checked the car, the man still put beside the car, and me I go away, left the car. Like me, I'm making everything, I lock up the car, but the man still left part beside the car, and it's like my man said touch turn back, turn around, go in at the car, swing the car until the man move, or just what you call it? Go move the car from different locations. Same time I come in, my brother tell me the same thing. Don't trust nobody. Move the car. And that's exactly, you must think like what me I think, and that's exactly what I did. So yeah, thanks to my brother, because my husband couldn't make it today. What's smooth though? Yeah. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do me, I'll go make a move, go up the sun, then I'll come back here. So I'm not study, I'm not make nobody study me. It's just, you know, you have to be smart. We don't trust anybody else tomorrow, so you have to be smart. Really smart. Make a U-turn. You have to be smart. Alright guys.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in.
Alright guys, so today is the day. I'm going in 4.5. Going in to release my car. So did a car wash this morning. Go to the car wash, just clean it in here, so put all of the Honda papers that came with it, everything. It has this paper, a book that tells you everything about the Underfit hybrid, just that it's in Japanese or whatever language. So yeah, just did that. Got inside it cleaned. On the back, just a few good company, see if it take out, and you know, car in excellent condition. Ceiling cleaner, everything. So yeah, we're on the toll. Guys, so this is the final for the car. You guys saw when I got this car. You guys are seeing when I no longer own this car. Yes, take it off. Taking off my steering wheel cover, because Trina had bought that for me. So we're gonna make sure to get everything out of the car. Yeah. Oh, but then home. Tell me why. I just come from town. We closed out the loan a while ago. Clear the loan for the car. Sell the car. And then why this lady from NCB come call me, come tell me I have $1,000 outstanding for my loan. Lady, I'm not alone there. My name is not alone anymore. Excuse you? bright. Bright. I said, I just closed on my loan. She said, when you came back? I said, yes, I just got home from clearing my loan. I have no loan there, not even in my app, nothing. It's a short loan close out. Outside, I'm not seeing it on my end. So your business, not mine. Alright guys, so I'm here editing in order just to get the content out of my phone and just to be able to, you know, get space to sort out other editings, because I do have a lot of content and I want to make sure I post it. So when this is posted, you guys, unfortunately, you guys won't be seeing it until in September. Yes, until September. So I just want to tell you guys, big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for, you know, being a part of the journey with me in my car when I got my car. And you guys are actually seeing when I sold my car. And, you know, that's to show that YouTube has been good to me. I have no complaint. You know, that's this family that's going on with me. On a day with me all the way. I get on my business, when I see my business, not hear my business, and yet still here. Some of you guys here who are so supportive, and I'm so appreciative of you guys. So life is a journey, life is a cycle, life has moments that you're going to have to let go to just accept the bigger things that are coming for you. So this is one of those moments that I'm letting go, accepting the bigger things that God has set out there for me to accept. And I let go of that car. I had it for 2 years and a few months, and I give God thanks that I was in such position to be able to have owned a car, and now I'm in a better position where I am able to just let go and you know, yeah. So stay tuned to see what car I will own next. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You got 20